kasabihan, women supports women. Yan mismo ang layunin ng Soroptimist International, isang samahan ng kababaihan na nagsasagawa ng mga programa para sa mga babae.
Meron silang iba't ibang chapter at ang makakasama natin ngayong umaga ay ang presidente ng Soroptimist International Quezon City na si Miss Margie De Castro. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome po sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning, Sir Rod and Ma'am Leslie.
Ayun.
Good morning, and also to the viewers of Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Ayan. Magandang umaga, Ma'am Margie. Ano po ba itong grupo ng Soroptimist International? Kasi we heard na marami po itong branches or chapter, and ano po yung mga ginagawa po ninyo?
Okay, so our club is Soroptimist International of Quezon City, which is under the district known as Metro Manila Northeast District. And this district is also under region Soroptimist International of Americas Philippine Region A Foundation Inc. So it is a part of a global volunteer organization which provides women and girls with access to education, training that they need to provide to achieve economic empowerment. So yun po ang layunin ng ating organization.
Ma'am, ganyan no, dyan sa magandang sa grupo na yan, paano nyo po, ano yung mga proyekto partikular para matulungan itong mga kababayan, especially dun sa mga mahihirap na komunidad na maging financially independent po?
Okay, so ang Soroptimist has 4 pillars of success. We have the membership, the program, and the public awareness and also the fundraising. So under the program pillar, we have three programs. We have the tawag natin doon is LYDA. It's Living Your Dream Awards for Women. So the next one, we have DIBI, tawag namin. It's a career support for girls. So DIBI means Dream It, Be It. And we have the Living Your Dream Organization. So, online platform po ito which has discussion with regards to women, empowerment, and other anything sa women, about women.
That's all about women.
Yeah. So, yun po. Itong program na LYDA, it assists women, no? Women and girls who are breadwinners of their family. And that the club, if ever you will be nominated or you will be a winner, kasi ito po, every club, in like for example, in a district, so there are 4 clubs or 5 clubs. So every club sa district has a nominee. So may maging club winner. These are nominated by individuals na parang gusto nilang supportaran or nakikitaan nila mga family or mga neighbors, no? May ano sila, i-nominate nila sa club or some other members will scout for girls or women na pwedeng i-assist dito sa program na to. Kasi we assist the education, tuition fees, kasi breadwinner sila but they have not financially capable, no, to go with to continue with their education. So this program is a cornerstone program ng Soroptimist International, meaning it is empowering women, that ensuring that they have access to education.
Oo, maganda yun, no, ma'am?
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, yung mga ibang breadwinners natin, kumbaga, parang nakakalimutan na nila minsan yung kanilang mga sarili, hindi na rin nila natatapos yung pag-aaral kasi nga, maaga na nagtatrabaho para masuportahan yung mga pamilya. So, meron po ba kayong pwede ma-share sa amin ng mga success stories?
Yeah. So, we have, in our club, last year, we have a teacher, no? Education, ang kinuha niyang course. And that last year, she graduated summa cum laude.
Nice! Nakakatawa!
And also, from Gapan po siya. And also, now, nag-continue siya ng masteral. Yeah.
Ang galing
And
naman.
she became a part of the faculty nung school niya.
I think, no, ma'am, the world will be a better place if you have those empowered women. And
Correct.
yung organization gives a platform opportunity to have these women magkaroon ng fighting chance in life.
Correct. At
And-
saka parang, di ba pag nasusuportahan natin yung mga kapwa nating kababayan, mas lumalakas yung loob eh.
Yeah. And panalo tayong lahat na civil society po. No? Bukas ma'am, meron kayong event, nabanggit ko na kanina, yung Dream It, Be It, para sa mga estudyante, ano ba dapat nila asahan dito?
Okay, itong Dream It, Be It, so one of the program no sa 4 pillars of success ng Soroptimist. So dito, ang target market dito are girls sa secondary schools, mga around grade 9 to 12. So ano po ito, yung parang the club will be providing information and resources as well na mag-tackle ng topics on career opportunities kasi this at itong mga batang ito po yung mag-graduate na ng high school.
Ayun.
So, we are preparing them for their career opportunities, leading them na kung anong kurso kukunin. So, we will conduct success stories of our members too.
Yan.
Para maano natin sila, ma-encourage to yung course na inaano namin. And also, if ever they have attended this DIBI, so nag-i-enroll sila na ng college. So if ever financially incapacitated pa rin sila, so they can apply sa ibang project namin. We have one of the regions or SIAPR identifying projects, which is ATE, ang tawag namin, is access to education. Pwede silang mag-apply ng scholarship. So may scholarship grant as well as pwede siyang mag-ano ng working scholar, di ba? And also in some way, pwede kaming mag-provide ng mga computers or laptop if they need it, or some makapag-finance din kami ng mga parang yung parang graduating na, pwede siya yung mga namin yung mga field trip nila or yung training nila, di ba?
Correct.
Minsan mag-OJT, may mga mga expenses, we can assist them.
Wow, ang galing naman nun. Meron para po kayong isa pang event, March 15 naman. Ito naman po ay para sa mga nanay sa Barangay Payata. So ano naman po kaya yung mga laman ng programa at paano po ito kaya makakatulong sa kanila?
Okay, so this project on March 15, it's a yung parang part of one of the identifying project ng Soroptimist, which is Adopt a Barangay. So under this program, Adopt a Barangay, may certain groups of women, puro women tayo. So we have here the members of the Amlakville Urban Gardeners sila, no? So ang natin dito, parang may training on the candle making. Kasi during one of our parang discussion, no, consultation, yun ang gusto nilang project kasi magiging income generating sa future aside from gardening. Kasi one of the thrust ng organization namin is Go Green. So Soroptimist Go Green. So it's more on the environment.
Okay.
Ang
Nakakatuwa
Bayanihan
ma'am na
Trust.
may
Yeah.
mga ganyan pong proyekto na nag-a-apply para sa mga kababayan mo. Para naman po sa mga na-inspire at naging interesado po dito, paano po makikilahok ang publiko sa inyong advocacy? May mga paraan po ba para makatulong ang iba?
Yeah, sa LYDA, yung Living Your Dream Awards for Women, makakatulong itong mga public, yun yung sila mag-nominate. Baka may gusto silang tulungan ng friends or relatives or mga neighbors na nakikitaan nila ng potential. Kaya lang walang yung
Kapasidad,
kapasidad na mag-aral sa sarili niyang So maka-nominate sila. So we're asking or encouraging kasi meron kaming isang na lang parang ni-refer through they can access our FB page, which is Soroptimist International of Quezon City, as well as our website. So doon pwede silang mag-text or PM sa amin.
Ayun. Ayun, napakaganda po talaga ng proyekto. No? Nawa po ay marami pa pong matulungan at dumami pa ang mga organisasyon na katulad po ninyo.
Muli ma'am, maraming salamat po Ma'am Margie De Castro sa pagbisita sa amin